Welcome to Physical Sciences Consultorium. This video is part of the series Misconceptions About Space, where we examine ideas that feel obvious but quietly fail when physics is applied. In this episode, we ask a common question: did the Big Bang happen at one point? Many people imagine the Big Bang as a gigantic explosion. A single point, a violent blast, everything flying outward into empty space. This picture feels natural. Explosions are how we understand sudden beginnings. Fireworks, bombs, cosmic illustrations in movies and textbooks. When we hear the word bang, we imagine a center and an outward motion. But explosions have a defining feature. They happen at a location and expand into surrounding space. The Big Bang does not fit this description. The Big Bang does not describe matter exploding into space. It describes space itself expanding. This distinction changes everything. When space expands, distances between points increase. No point moves through space faster than another. Instead, the space between them stretches. Expansion is about geometry, not motion through space. In an expanding universe, there is no special center. Every observer sees distant galaxies moving away. Every location experiences the same expansion. No point is privileged. If space itself is expanding, then the Big Bang happened everywhere. Not at one location, but at every location simultaneously. This sounds strange only because our intuition is earth-bound. Asking where the Big Bang happened assumes pre-existing space, but the Big Bang marks the beginning of expansion itself. There was no external space into which it occurred. Asking where the Big Bang happened is like asking where time began. Time has a beginning, but not a location. The same logic applies to cosmic expansion. We observe galaxies moving away from each other. The farther they are, the faster they recede. This pattern appears the same in every direction. This behavior supports expansion, not explosion. An observer in another galaxy would see the same pattern we do. From their perspective, we would be moving away from them. No observer sits at the center. When we look back in time, we see the universe when it was hotter and denser. All regions were closer together, not clustered around a point, but uniformly compressed. The phrase, Big Bang, itself causes misunderstanding. It suggests sound, violence, and location. In reality, it refers to a change in scale, not an explosion. It is not a blast in empty space, a fireball at a location, the edge of the universe. Those images belong to intuition, not physics. A better picture is this: every distance in the universe was once smaller. Over time, those distances increased. Expansion happened everywhere, uniformly. This corrected picture avoids many false questions. Where is the center of the universe? What is the edge? What did it explode into? Those questions dissolve once the intuition is fixed. The misconception is not ignorance. It is the habit of applying everyday experience to cosmic scales where it no longer works. The Big Bang did not happen at one point. It describes a universe where space itself has been expanding everywhere since its earliest moments. If this way of understanding space science is useful to you, this is exactly what Physical Sciences Consultorium exists for. In this series, we examine common intuitions and gently correct them using physics. If you found this episode helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the PSC channel.